Well, welcome back at this lunch hour, everyone, where we are keeping a close eye on this high pressure right at the tip of lower Michigan, and that's controlling the blue skies that we are seeing across our area. You can see this look with downtown Detroit, where we don't have a cloud in the sky, which is a different setup from early this morning. We really had to clear out a thicker cloud deck out there, but now that high pressure sticks around for a little bit, and we'll keep our skies clear this afternoon and into tonight. So right now we sit at 49 degrees in the city, 46 in Ann Arbor, same in Pontiac, 45 in Monroe, with a northeasterly breeze about 10 miles per hour, a little more variable off towards Ann Arbor. And we'll start to see these winds shift as we head into tomorrow, which will help us out by a couple degrees in the temperatures. But right now, still holding on to wind gusts anywhere between about 15 to 20 miles per hour. And coming out of the north does make it feel a little bit cooler out there. So 41 is what it feels like in Pontiac, 39 in Lapeer, 44 over at Metro Airport. So we're reporting a lot of upper 40s for the actual air temperature, but you figure it's probably closer to about 5 degrees cooler with the wind chill. So hourly forecast this afternoon, our high should be right around 49, 50 degrees, which is exactly on par with where we should be at this point in November. But clear skies stick around, so those temperatures slide in the 30s pretty quickly once we get past sunset. Tonight, 33 degrees. We'll be on the chillier side. This means that some of these outlying areas could easily dip below the freezing mark. Tomorrow, 52. We start with sun, gets replaced with clouds, so we'll just chalk it up as partly sunny, with rain arriving late and winds are starting to pick up out of the southeast. So an hour by hour look at your Wednesday. 10, 11 o'clock still seems to be the onset of the rain showers, becoming widespread through the overnight and sticking around throughout your Thursday morning. Little snapshot by 4 a.m. still dealing with pretty much widespread rain. But then this will become more spotty and scattered in the afternoon. And by Thursday evening, now we're looking at things drying out. So it rolls in well after sunset tomorrow, but sticks around for a good chunk of the daylight hours on Thursday. So that's when you're grabbing that umbrella. Now let's also talk about the night sky. We've had some spectacular viewing in the night throughout the year. And now we're looking at our last supermoon of the year, the fourth and final one of 2024. And this is the Beaver moon. It's the November full moon, also called the frost moon and the snow moon. But it's called the Beaver moon because this is typically the time of year where beavers start to build their winter dams. And then the best is to see this at moonrise on Saturday. So it's technically at its fullest right around 4:30 in the afternoon Friday. But because of our sunset time, it's actually going to look the biggest on Saturday, about 20 to 30 minutes right after sunset. So that's when you want to keep your eyes to the sky to see that super moon. Bringing the forecast back here over the next 7 days, we're going to be in the 50s over the next 6 to 7 days. So very seasonal, although we inch upward by a degree or two each day. Rain is likely on Thursday. We have another chance for rain to arrive heading in the later part of your Sunday. However, that should not impact the Lions game when it comes to tailgating outside of Ford Field. So great news for the Lions fans.